Namaste. Welcome to your practice. Welcome to day 5. Today's practice, there will be no standing and all done on the floor. To begin, let's flat laying down on our backs. Legs straight down, arms up over your head, full body lengthen. Exhale, sweep your hands down by your side. This time, ankles together, inner thighs together, point your toes and arms back up over your head. Good morning, feel good stretch. Exhale, bending both knees, pressing your feet down, arms out to T shape. Move your neck side to side. Notice your chin goes all the way towards your shoulder. Each side. Very good. And back to the center. Arms up over your head, lengthen longer. Exhale, bring your hands down towards your right leg. Pull your knee close towards your ribs. Circling your right ankle, one direction, other direction. Very nice. Wiggling your toes, flexing your foot, and push your foot up towards the sky. Be gentle with your hamstring. So give your leg gentle stretch with your hands, IT band and your quadricep and your knee. Very good. Keep bending your left knee and pressing your left foot. Just lower your right leg all the way down, arms up over your head. Lengthen longer. Exhale, both legs straight down now. Arms release all the way down. Very good. Extending arms back up over your head, bending both knees, pressing your feet down. Exhale, releasing your hands towards your left leg. Gently pull your left leg close towards your belly. Go ahead, circling your ankle. Wiggle your toes. And extending left leg up towards the sky. Gentle massage through your left leg, hamstring, inner thigh, top of your thigh, down to your calf. As you bending your right knee and pressing your right foot, just extending left leg straight down again, arms up over your head. And continue to extending both legs straight down. Releasing your arms down to T shape, bend your knees and gently rocking your legs side to side. Beautiful. Lower your both legs toward to the right side and look over to your left shoulder. Soften through your inner thigh, hips and shoulders. Knees back to the center, and let's twist to the opposite direction. Very nice, and coming back to the center. This time, heel to open your feet a little bit wider, and twist again to the right side. Looking straight up first, I want you to bring your right ankle on top of your left leg. Gently pressing your left thigh down, using your right leg, and arms up over your head. Interlacing your fingers and push your palms up. Get your upper body lengthened and feel your side body alongside your IT band. Very nice. Releasing your right ankle down, knees up, arms out to T shape and twist toward to the left side. This time, left ankle goes on top of your right leg, gently pressing. Both arms up over your head, interlacing your fingers again. Push as you relax. Beautiful. Releasing both legs down, straight down, arms up over your head. Exhale, bend your knees and roll over to one side. As you're rolling over to one side, both arms straight forward, palm to palm touch, please. Keep your knee to knee touch. Keep your head in line with your chest. On your next inhalation, just like an open book, you may opening up to your chest with your left hand and gently twist, look over to your left shoulder. And then close your book again. Very good. Open, close twice. Inhale, open up. Exhale, close your book again. One last round. Good job. And now rolling back onto your back, arms up, legs straight down. Exhale, rebend your knees, roll over to the other direction. Palm to palm touch. If you need to use your pillow, feel free to use so you can more relax with your neck. Flexing your foot, knee to knee touch. Wait for the exhalation. Ready to go? Opening up to your book. Look over to your shoulder. And then exhale, close, palm to palm touch. Continue a few rounds. You can close your eyes. One last round. Very nice. And turn your body onto your back again. Arms up, legs straight down. Long one line stretch. And pull your knees, close your chest. Hug yourself nice and tight, chin to the chest. Give yourself a really big squeeze. 3, 2, and 1. Lower your head and neck down. Arms out to T-shape, extending both legs straight up toward to the sky. Check your ankles in line, big toes in line, and go ahead circling your ankles. One direction and to the other direction. Beautiful. Opening up to your legs, bend your knees, hold onto the back of your knees, and gently lower your thighs close towards your armpits. If you have more space, this is a beautiful hip opening posture called happy baby pose. If you could, catch further to your ankles. If you could, catch further to your feet. Shoulders softening, chin slight tuck down. And just like a happy baby, rocking their body with holding onto their feet, smile on your face, and rocking side to side. Two more just like this. Enjoy this time. Very nice. Extending both legs as wide as you could. And releasing your hands from your legs. Leg straight goes up. Using your core to lower your legs all the way straight down. Arms up over your head. Exhale, bend your knees. Roll over to one side. And slowly push yourself up to seated pose. Well done. As we now sit up tall, bring your both palms on top of our heart. Close your eyes. Notice how you feel after these very simple and effective movements. Pray your hands at your heart. Finish our beautiful practice with one sound of Om. Inhale. Have a beautiful day. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Namaste.